How do you balance your time now? With dancing, your own, you have a crew, you have a group,
Yes.
right? What's the name of the group?
A-Team po, A-Team Philippines.
And how have you guys performed so far?
We've been performing now po, meron po kaming 2 international
Shows.
performance.
Oh, so ibang level na.
Yeah.
So, okay, so this is no just local. You guys are gone to the next level internationally. Have you guys competed?
Yes po, in hip hop.
And how
international.
has that been locally and then internationally?
It has been crazy journey po, just like any other competition. Same jitters, same kaba, and of course it's not always winning, and sometimes you learn from not winning and it's okay. And yun po yung maganda dun eh. The journey, not the actual. Well, it comes on the second, but the first one for me is the journey, what you've learned while training, with your teammates, ganon.
Okay, but speaking of journey, again, no, kasi pinag-uusapan natin yung college days mo, doon ka talaga nasali sa, doon mas naging serious yung dancing. Sila rin ba yung mga kasama mo sa A-Team? And can you tell us paano nabuo yung grupo na yun?
I first joined A-Team before I went to college po. So, I just went to UP and then stopped muna A-Team kasi college life. So, I have to focus with the school first. And the team kasi is, when you're in a contract, kailangan parang sila lang yung nire-represent mo. So, I had to stop the A-Team first, which is okay lang naman po kasi 5 years, not really long enough to wait. Ganun. Tapos, my teammates are not the same po since mostly of A-Team is composed of different people. Hindi po sila lahat students. Some are working. Meanwhile, in UP Street po, in UP, almost on my same age.
Kayo lang.
Kami
Pero yung
lang
A-Team
po.
na yun, did they reach out to you or
I auditioned po.
you audition?
Yes.
Tell us about that.
I came to A-Team po watching them lang sa TV kasi they just won sa Hip Hop International eh. Tapos parang sabi ko, try again. Tapos, I came there with my mom without knowing anyone, just the coaches ko. And then, I made friends lang all the way with the training until hanggang ngayon, I found my friends, my best friends, my lifelong friends from A-Team.
Was it a tough procedure going into sa audition? Anong pinagawa sa'yo?
Actually, the audition for me is not really hard. I think the training was hard. The audition is they teach you a piece from how they choreograph in A-Team, and then the second po is you dance
on the
your
spot.
own.
Tuturo ka?
Yes.
Ituturo? Wow.
For I think an hour, and then you're gonna dance it right after.
Gaano katagal yun? Yung sayaw, yung
dance,
choreography.
I think
Is
it's
it like
40 seconds, so a bit long. It's a bit long kasi you're gonna learn it for an hour lang. And then you're gonna present it right away.
Yeah. At 110%, like,
Yes.
right? With expressions, lahat na yan.
Ano yun? One and done ba yun?
Yes po.
So you get one chance lang?
Yes.
Ilan kayo nag-audition that day?
At my time, kasi we have 2 audition days. First audition day, I auditioned there. I think we were 100 plus.
How many?
100 plus.
100?
Like 120.
And then ilan yung kinukuha?
Usually po around 50, 60 from both days.
From
so I
both
think
days.
nagdo-double up yung same amount ng people.
Hindi kailangang clutch ang panunood. Head on over to Clutch Talks on YouTube, Spotify, and Apple Podcasts for the full episode. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe on Clutch Talk Social na rin para hindi mahuli sa Usapang Clutch.